Okay, now we have to construct the angle of 105 degree. So for that, first we draw the ray AB. This is here, A is the initial point, right? So we are taking radius of our choice, any radius, and we construct, we draw the arc, taking A as a center and draw the arc. This arc intersect ray B in a one point, intersect the ray B in one point, taking this point as a center. Now here this is the angle of 60, then 60 plus 60 120. Now taking this point as a center, draw the arc, taking this point as a center, draw the arc. So we have, this is the angle of 90 degree. So we draw the 90 degree by the joining this point A and this. Okay. By dot line we join it. Now this means this angle is 90, this angle is 120. Okay, now also we draw the angle of 120 degree. By dotted line now this is 90, this is 120. Now between 90 and 120, this is the angle of 30. This is 90, this is 120. So between 90 and 120, this is the division of, means this is the angle 30. So if we take the bisector of 30, that is 15. This is 90, and if we add 15, 90 plus 15, that is 105. So now we take the bisector of this angle, that is bisector of 30. Bisector of 30. Okay, bisector of 30, that is 15. Okay, now taking radius more than half and taking this point as center, draw the arc, taking this point as a center, draw the arc, and both the arc intersect each other, joining this point with A. So here this angle, see that this is 90 and this angle is 15. 90 plus 15, that is 105 degree. Say this angle CAB is equal to 105 degree, which is the required angle. So also you can write the step, right? How to write the step? First draw the ray AB. Okay, taking radius of our choice and taking A as a center, draw the arc. This arc intersect the AB in a one point, say D, right? Taking D as a center and draw the arc which intersect the previous arc in a point E. Taking E as a center, draw the arc which intersect the previous arc in a point F. Okay, now taking radius more than half and more than half of FE, more than half of FE, and draw the angle of 90 degree. means taking radius more than half FE and draw the arc. These both the arc intersect each other in a one point. So we can write that draw the angle of 90, then draw the angle of 120 and draw the bisector of the angle. Say this point is G. So this angle GAF, right? GAF. So draw the bisector of GAF, right? So we obtain the angle 105 degree because this angle is 90 plus 15, that is 10. So angle CAB is the angle of 105 degree, which is the required angle. So you can write the step in your own language, right? If you construct the correct construction, right? If your construction is correct, and write the step in your own language. It's also you got the full marks of this construction.